school. And my skin update is looking better. It is ultra dry. So hopefully I can figure out some sort of moisturizer that isn't oil based that I can wear so I can wear makeup. It's also Natalie's birthday. So I'm gonna get ready, but I will bring you along on my final day of college. Okay, so I'm all ready. As you can hear, maybe you can't, I am sick again. This is the worst month. I've been sick basically all of March. I think the makeup is covering the dots. You can see, there you can see them. They're covering them, but the texture is obviously what is showing up. My chest is looking better. Everything's looking better. I just need to not be sick anymore. I am getting ready to leave now because it's, what time is it? It's 10. We're gonna do like some sort of potluck for our class. What I thought would be nice to bring is Krispy Kreme donuts. Even though I'm not eating any, I probably can't eat anything at the potluck. But I just thought it would be like a nice treat. I don't know. But I have to drive there. It's kind of on my way to school, so yeah. I don't know how many people there are. Oh. Anyways, today's a really fun day, so it's my final day of school. This is not really a class, it's kind of like a goodbye. And then it's also Natalie's birthday, which I mentioned before, and after school I'll probably come home for a minute, take out Walter, and then we are going to the Cheesecake Factory, which there is one Cheesecake Factory in the Toronto area, the GTA, and it's at this mall that's very busy. So I'm a little bit nervous about getting there on time and parking, and Andrew's gonna meet there, and then we're gonna go celebrate her birthday at my parents' house. So it should be a really fun day. Let's go. Just getting the donuts. Very sad that I cannot have any. Ooh, that person's getting like a shake. That looks good. Yes. And an Americano.
Oh, an Americano, yeah, sorry. Medium, right?
Just small.
The small Americano? I need it.
Such weird weather today. It's like almost freezing rain. It's 1 degree Celsius and it's raining. But it's like really cold out. Really miserable. Thank you. I've never had an Americano from Krispy Kreme. I actually don't remember what their coffee tastes like. But I have not been enjoying Tim Hortons, and I don't know if that's because when I'm sick I don't really like coffee, but I love the smell of coffee. Oh, the donuts smell so good. Okay, I'm gonna pull over and just sit here for a minute because I have lots of time. I totally thought it would take me longer to get here, and then I thought it would be like a long line. There's literally, like I said, only one, oops, there's only one Krispy Kreme in the area, and it's always packed. So let's see. Oh, it's hot. It smells bitter, which Americanos are not supposed to be bitter. You know, that's actually pretty nice. It's very mild. It's not overpowering. Not bitter. It just has a little bit of a bitter smell. Okay, so it is 10:41. I totally thought that this would bring me to 11, and 11's the time that I usually need to leave. So maybe I will go get gas and then get to school maybe a bit early and hang out. Last time I pay for parking. Oh. Last day.
Well, it's not
Last
my last
day. We're together for 5 more weeks. 5 more weeks together. Last day. Oh, Nutella. Last day. Last day, everyone. Last day. Last day. Look, Lauren, you can see her here. Wow, look at all the food. Yum, yum, yum. Sorry, go ahead. I'm just filming all the food. Woo. What do you got?
Breakfast, right? Every morning?
No way.
Every morning, coffee on you.
No. Shane, are you sad?
Literally, first day, that's what you should wear.
No?
First day, that's what you're gonna wear.
No, I'm not wearing those. Are you sad?
Well, I was gonna be happy, then I realized we're doing placement together, so now it's not good.
Is that them? Oh, those are them. We're not sad anymore. Are you sad? Yeah. Sarah, are you sad? I'm happy. But are you sad? Aren't you gonna miss me?
Well, I'm sad that we're working together.
You stop.
It's fucking terrible.
Whoops. Last time. This is the control room. Last time here. Last time. Editing room. The green room.
What are you doing?
I'm just filming it.
Oh.
Cole always on. Last time in the studio. Goodbye, teleprompter. Goodbye, Chad. Crazy. Yeah, everyone say bye. Bye.
See you Monday.
Bye, everybody. Bye. Bye.
See you next week.
Bye, Cole. See you on Monday. Bye, everyone. Hey, guys. It's a few days later. Don't mind the rush. I realize what you're about to watch. It's going to jump from the clip of everyone saying goodbye to, I'm just gonna say it, me crying. There was really no, yes, I'm sitting on the floor. There was really no like lead up. What ended up happening was I left my class, I ended up talking to some people for a while, and then I sat in my car and I just was feeling so emotional and sad, and it just kind of feels a little bit disjointed, so I feel like I have to explain it a bit. So if you don't like crying, I'm kind of embarrassed that I cried, but you know what? This is me. I share everything. I was really emotional that day, and I was really, really sad. I still am really sad, but I feel like it's important to keep that piece in. So if you don't like crying or whatever, skip ahead. But yeah. Also, pray for my face, please. Wow. I am so sad. I did not think I would be this upset about ending school. I wasn't this sad when I left high school. I wasn't this sad even when I left Kansas City. But I made some really amazing friends. And I had some incredible teachers that blessed me so much and really poured into my life. And I'm really good. I feel very sad. I did not expect to feel this sad and devastated. Like, I feel devastated, like, that I'm not coming back here. Not that I want to do school again. Because, you know, this was such a sacrifice. I remember the day, you know, my first day, thinking, like, I wasn't here to make friends. I was here to just do school. Like, man, how I was wrong. I've made some incredible friends. And I've learned, oh, so much more than I ever could have expected. Anyways, I'm gonna stop babbling and go home, let Walter out, and then I'm gonna go celebrate Natalie's birthday. We going on a walk? Are we going on a walk? You look like an old man. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I love you. Hey, don't mind my dirty glass. I am at Yorkdale now. That's a huge Restoration Hardware. You can see my spots really come through after a while, even with makeup. That was a long drive. Took about an hour to get here. I hope cheesecake has a salad that's worth it, because that's all I can eat. Happy birthday, Natalie!
There it is.
And there's my husband. How do you feel? Do you feel your age? No. No?
I don't feel like it's my birthday.
Really?
No, I will tonight.
You want something or you want to wait until we get in there? I'm okay.
We're gonna head to the restaurant.
Good.
Ready?
My glasses are for him.
It's okay. You excited for your birthday dinner?
Yeah, it doesn't feel like my birthday yet. I can't even see what I look like.
Are we doing anything tomorrow? The haircut.
Delicious dinner. Best birthday dinner?
Yeah, I'm full. And now I'm tired.
How are you feeling? Okay, dinner is done, finito, and we are heading back to my parents' house for dessert and presents. Yeah, it was really fun. My Nana came, my parents, Amy Lee had to work. I sound like I'm out of breath. Okay, I am stuffed. I got the barbecue chicken salad. It was really good. Okay, that's all I have to update you on.
This one?
Yeah. Hopefully with the credits you can be here.
Oh, the card. I love the cards. Happy birthday, Nat, from Olivia. Okay. Oh! You how did you have me?
I'm back. I realized that I did not end that video because I left my camera at my mom's house. So we had a wonderful day celebrating Nat's birthday. I didn't capture a lot of it, but it was so great to be together with family, celebrating Natalie. Love you, Nat, so much. And it was a great night, but I ended up leaving my camera on the table, completely getting lost in the moment, which I'm okay with that. Be in the moment, be present. That I just didn't end the video. So I'm gonna end it here. Again, pray for my face. The rash is, it has some cream on it. It gets worse before it gets better. So hopefully this is as worse as it's gonna get. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ooh, blue light. And I will see you again for another video. Bye.